watch and see. Sleep, not be die. Like that. Okay. All man for day, it don't finish. La Republic, una ceasefire. No way for una. When we don't declare ghost town, many man obey the order. Now our land be this. Now our land be this. Watch and see.
If you are in any place, in any country, that there is secession, especially if you are in Nigeria, and if you are in Cameroon, and other countries that has secession. What do I mean by secession? People that are saying we will not agree for anybody. The people that are saying we want to form our own country. And eventually, listen very well, but before then, please, if this is your first time of coming across the channel, don't pass by and don't scroll. Just hit on the subscription button. Like this program immediately before I start. Share it to some people so that they will get this information. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Cameroon, this is for you, the Ambazonians. If you are in a country where there is secession, people want to secede from a certain country that has been existing. They want to form their own country. Listen, Biafrans, the Ambazonians, pay good attention and make sure you share this across to every Ambazonian or any alien community or any country that has secession. Share this across to you, across to everyone. Yes, if you are in a country that is full of secession, fighting for liberation, self-determination, and eventually the person who is spearheading the secession, who is the president, I will call it president, like in Biafra land now, there is a president and a prime minister. A president of Biafra we are seeing immediately is called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When you hear abbreviation, the acronym is MNK. That is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Whenever you hear from any of them, say that nobody should come out today. Today is lockdown. Please go and lock yourself down. If they say it like a day yesterday, use yesterday, go and buy whatever you will eat and cool yourself down. If you are in Ambazonia and you hear that today is lockdown, we are remembering our heroes, or this so thing must be done, if not so day, like in Biafra land they say it is every Monday. Every Monday, carry your legs and enter inside. Don't come out. Don't you ever try to come out. If you die, Nigeria will not be better. If you die, Cameroon will not be better. Carry your legs and put it inside. No matter how the governor or the president of that country will say, we are sending army. We don't even trust the army. The army are the people that will come now. Even come and start shooting inside your house. And be killing everyone. We don't trust even the army. When they come, you will see rough people. People that doesn't respect rule of law. How can somebody come to a place where individuals are living, mothers and children are living? They will start releasing. They start releasing gun. See a little of it before I will continue. Very good. I think you have seen it. You have seen it. The type of country we are living in. You have seen it. Where soldiers will come and start everywhere without respecting the mothers and children, without respecting the life of people. You come, the Ambazonians tell you nobody should come out today. Go carry your legs and enter inside. If you come out, you become a goat for sacrifice. And if you die, nothing will happen. And if those people who are secessionists, they come out and eventually have a clash with soldiers, the soldiers will come and kill you that did not do anything wrong. Their bullet will touch you. That is why I am saying, anywhere you find yourself in a secessionist area where people are saying the leadership is not good, we want to stay on our own, they say lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Chineke akpọgo ama mgbe ị ga-eji ntị gị anụ ihe ka ị na-afụ ụzọ ị na-anụrụ ife a ga-eji ndaboski bahose wee gwa gị lakpuo n'ụmụ nọ ọwụ sepre lamande ka a ga-eji gwa gị lakpuo ma asị onye apụtakwala ezi o sepre lamande ka a ga-eji gwa gị asị gị lakpuo gị lakpuo eji isi gị chụọ aja. Sometimes our people are daft. Even if the criminals within around you, if they come out and say, anybody that comes out today, we are going to do and do, go and sit in your house. Go and sit in your house. Sit until that day is gone. It will not take you anything. If you are hungry that day, you will not die. You will still meet tomorrow. Don't go and use your head for sacrifice, my brothers. You must go about your normal duties. Teachers, we must come to school and do exams. Teacher, don't go. If they will sack you, let them sack you instead of you dying. Don't go. Everybody must go about his normal duty. It is only a fool you will tell that and they will come out. Seeing all that is going on. Even without the secessionists, many criminals will come out that very day to siphon you that is going on the way. It is not them. It is not even those that are telling you to sit at home because they have their people at heart. They are planning for something that will favor themselves. It is not to kill them, but the criminals that are coming out, killing, shooting military men and doing all manner of things are not the people that are secessionists. These are evil men. I condemn their attitude. I condemn the attitude of criminals. I condemn it. But if you come, you become an scapegoat, you fall into a trap. Even you will be arrested for nothing when others are in the house. Sit in the house. I know that God doesn't punish anybody. But go and sit down inside the house. I will not paint words for you. Let me speak it in the language you will understand. Governors made a news, come out, nothing will happen. If you come out, anything that happened to you is on your head, not on the head of any government. I must speak the truth, the way it is raw. If it's not good for you, go and hug transformer. For me, me and my family, if anything happens, say nobody should, I will not come out. I will not come out. I can never come out, no matter who you are. No matter the money I will make that day, I will not come out. My life is better than that money. He who has ears, let him listen to what the angels are telling the saints. If you are foolish, you go and fall foolishly. God bless you.
If you don't want to lose life, Tunubu, all Eastern leaders, if you don't want to lose life, release Nnamdi Kanu. The same way you release Sunday Igboho, release Nnamdi Kanu in that way. Onyesoku have come up again. Onyesoku have come up again, and I have spoken. I have spoken, and this is my word, and this is my powerful message to Tinubu and all the whole Eastern leaders. I don't have much to say than to release Nnamdi Kanu before this month runs up. Before this month we runs up, release Nnamdi Kanu. The same way you release Sunday Igboho, release Nnamdi Kanu in that way. I have told you, a great fire is coming upon the country. A great fire is coming upon Nigeria. A fire that nobody can quench it. I must tell you this. Be careful with Igbos. Igbos did not do anything in this society. We only want our freedom. And no Biafra, no peace. Onyesoku land again. This is me. I don't land again. Many have been talking rubbish. Many have been saying all sorts of things. I know where I am coming from, and I am still traveling again. I know where I have been before. I am still traveling. Any moment from now, I am still traveling. And my coming back again will be on fire. I just went and received this with some of the property, the tools. I only went to receive this with some of the tools. We are fully ready. Thank God everything has been signed to Biafrans. Thank God we have gotten all we need. Nigeria, Chepanaka Oranyo, Chenaka or Biafrans. Unama Fesu Ibua. All Igbo leaders, Unama Fesu, Kamakuna Zoku. All these things are not doko, or Unuakana Dotara. Makana Hagi Regricha, Neberabe Alala, or Fofokara Lunua. Or Fofora Lunua. Would the Igbo leaders? Or what Fofokara Lunua? I know there is one Joel Gugua. And when much equal than to say goodbye to the people of Biafra. Goodbye to our people. Nigeria, the geological country. I cannot say goodbye to you because I have come back again. And I stand Gidibam this time around and I go hear the sound of my chain. That time when the hungry when I come collect, when I want to collect, when I go hear the sound again, I am fully back. No matter say I will still travel any moment from now. But when I go hear my hands and when I go hear my message, which I know that when I go see deliver it, when I go deliver my message. We don't condemn the Ecuadorian. Huh? The owners of the land. The owners of the land. Okay, Tiguela. Huh? I can bring my man also down. Onions of Quatola. Awawa.
The Afro Liberation Army commander have spoke well.
I swear Ãmba. Mema magazima, mahani Ãmba na clean kala, na clean one later. Commander, I swear. Like na go so far, down na go so far. Boy, I'm really kala na we